14 nice calorie burning workouts. 1. Jumping rope. The burn, 667 to 990 calories per hour if you're jumping at 120 skips per minute. The bonus burn, as it turns out, this little rope is clearly an enormous time fat burner. And for a full physique workout mission, provide this calorie torching saw rope exercise from Carrie Underwood's coach Trace. It helped her score these iconic legs. 2. Running uphill stair sprints. The burn, 639 to 946 calories per hour. The bonus burn, you wish to have to sprint at max effort on stairs or a hill at a percent that you would be able to best keep for roughly 20 seconds, and follow that with a healing run at half of the depth of the sprint and double the time, says Miranda. The more difficult you push yourself for the period of these sprints, the better the EPOC. 3. Kickboxing. The burn, 582 to 864 energy per hour. The bonus burn, whether you're kicking it on your possess or in class, ensure you preserve the rest periods between rounds of jabs and kicks super brief. Intention for 30 seconds of rest for each 90 seconds of sparring. 4. Biking intervals. The burn, 568 to 841 energy per hour. The bonus burn, riding at a sustained excessive intensity, will provide you with a better EPOC as in comparison with a consistent state trip at a low depth, says Miranda, but including excessive depth intervals for the period of that coaching time will broaden the afterburner even more. 5. Going for walks. The burn, 566 to 839 energy per hour, 10 minutes, mile. The bonus burn, after running at a constant percent, you'll continue to burn further energy over the rest of the day. If that is not motivation to tackle the treadmill, nothing is. 6. Kettlebell circuit. The burn, 554 to 822 energy per hour. The bonus burn, Tamer says that a HIIT circuit utilizing kettlebells can keep the afterburner going for 36 hours after you depart the gym. To get the first class results, be certain you're doing a fluid circuit and not stopping to relaxation between each transfer. Tamer recommends switching between upper and minimized body actions so that you may preserve exercising for a longer interval of time. Are attempting doing a collection of kettlebell swings, kettlebell squats, and kettlebell push presses. Then, relaxation for 15 to 20 seconds after completing the 3 moves. 7. Stationary bike. The burn, 498 to 738 calories per hour at an energetic PM. The bonus burn, to get the most afterburner, Tamer says to begin with 10 seconds of severe pedaling, 100 RPMs or extra, and 50 seconds of relaxation. Then, transfer to 15 seconds of sprints and 45 seconds of leisure, and do 20 seconds of sprints, 40 seconds of leisure after that. Recollect to show up the resistance as you growth. 8. Rowing desktop. The burn, 481 to 713 calories per hour at 150 watts, which that you can assess on the desktop. The bonus burn, to get maximum torching vigor, row in super fast 1-minute intervals, 150 watts, and take 30 to 60 to 2 ND lively leisure intervals by alternating between squats, push-ups, and planks. 9. Stairs. The burn, 452 to 670 calories per hour when going 77 steps per minute. The bonus burn, whether you're working the Stairmaster or walking steps around town. A la Rocky, stair mountain climbing presents an excellent mixture of aerobic and anaerobic undertaking. To up the ante, maintain a 1 to 5 pound dumbbell in every hand to get your higher body fired up too. 10. Strength training. The burn, 341 to 504 energy per hour. The bonus burn, you'll develop your afterburner through working your muscle tissues to exhaustion every set, alternatively of forestalling at an arbitrary rep range like 10 or 12, says Miranda. And focal point on compound movements that appoint extra muscle mass over extra joints. 11. Metabolic resistance coaching circuit. The burn, 340 to 505 calories per hour. The bonus burn, in an ordinary circuit, you'd participate in each and every set at a highest depth adopted through a protracted relaxation. However, the metabolic resistance training system requires you to maintain a high, however sub-max, depth for the duration of the workout, with little leisure between sets for the entire session. Research has shown that shortening the relaxation interval will increase EPOC, says Miranda. If you happen to have been doing a circuit of 5 different weight workout routines for 30 seconds of labor and 20 seconds of relaxation, are trying reducing the relaxation to 10 seconds. 12. Elliptical. The burn, 322 to 478 calories per hour at a resistance level of 8. The bonus burn, if you happen to or after a better burn, don't hold the same percent the whole time you're on the elliptical. Range the incline and stages of resistance to preserve things exciting, learn difficult. 13. Combat ropes. The burn, 285 to 421 calories per hour. The bonus burn, as a part of a circuit or on their possess, weighted rope exercises will torch lots of energy. 14. Power yoga. The burn, 226 to 335 calories per hour. The bonus burn, to get essentially the most burn, signal up for an energy vinyasa float class. Force push practices, the place you healthy the breath with the motion, is where you might have essentially the most afterburner.